Hello, dear group. Here I want to share with you about the activity that I'm developing on the Labinnova. So we have here the students need to fill in the blank activities, but also I want that them remember some rules that we need to know when we need to organize the verbs in the simple present form. So let's go here. We said the instructions. Yes, then we have this blank here, and the students need to select what is the best option to the verb form. So in this time we need to use wake because is I. Okay, about the first person. Here is the same, the first person, so the verb is in the simple form. Then we are going to talk about my brother. So in that time is a third person, but also is about coffee. The options, we say that is a negative. In this time, we need to make with auxiliary, does. Then we have we. In that time, we don't use add s. And the last one is about third person too. Is about a dog, the pet. So in this kind, we have to add s. We need to check. Said that is an excellent. Okay, we have the option to continue to the next. So this is a reinforcing. This is an evaluation about what students are doing